800 kilometers specially for sir, and sir is an Indian Christian coachman.
Thank you.
So even I am looking forward to give such marvelous experience to my patient.
It was a great experience, and I think we all are ready from ideal dentistry to natural dentistry.
And put all of this knowledge such that everyone is not only inspired by clinical work.
Really, I've learned a lot today, and I'm happy to be a part of this lecture.
Attend all these things and do it yourself.
Easier for us to know that this is the next step and then it's just done.
This has been an amazing experience, and yes, looking forward to a long lasting.
Sure.
Lap it up and take their practice to the next level.
Until it breaks, the file breaks, only then will change the shape. From there to what I'm seeing now.
खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कि हर तकदीर से पहले खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या?
My team at Aris is ready for this. Okay? It's your turn now to take this forward. I look forward to it. All the best. Thank you very much.